In Bizzilo, you can add suppliers or vendors that you deal with in your business. For creating purchase transactions like bills and purchase orders, you'll have to add suppliers or vendors. Centralized supplier information provides reporting and analysis regarding supplier quality, contract compliance, cost savings, and other metrics that can be used to make informed decisions about suppliers. It improves strategic sourcing initiatives and ensures cost performance remains strong over time. To add supplier information in Bizzilo, navigate to Purchases and then Suppliers. From the main dashboard, click the Add New Supplier icon located top right corner of the header. Enter the supplier's name and toggle the status to keep them active in the list. Next, provide the contact details, including phone number and email ID. You can designate a single point of contact from your store or back office team for the supplier using the drop-down menu. Moving on to general details, select the payment terms that outline the conditions for payment of goods or services, including payment timeframe, early payment discounts, and late payment penalties. Common terms include net 30 days and 2/10, net 30, offering discounts for early payment and specifying payment due dates. Then, choose the GST treatment and indicate the type of GST treatment associated with the supplier, registered or unregistered. Provide the country, state, and currency details, which are essential for calculating GST, CGST or IGST tax details, when creating a PO. Specify whether the supplier is taxable or tax-exempted. For a GST-registered supplier, GSTIN is mandatory. And the user can also enter the PAN number for accounting purposes. Enter the website URL of the supplier and select the preferred portal language if the supplier opts to access the Bizzilo portal. Scrolling to the next panel reveals the billing details, including first name, last name, phone, address, zip code, city, country, and state. All details to be entered by the user, followed by the shipping details. If both details are the same, the user can simply check the box, indicating the same as the billing address. The supplier contact person can be added here. Click the Add New Contact button, leading to a pop-up window where contact person details such as first name, last name, phone, designation, email, and department can be entered. The user can also add a new address for the supplier contact details by clicking the Add New Address link or selecting from existing addresses in the drop-down menu and assigning it to the contact person. Moving to the next panel, bank details for the supplier can be added, including account name, number, type, bank name, branch, IBAN, and SWIFT number, which may be useful when creating payments under bills. Select the preferred payment mode of the supplier from the drop-down options include cash, check, NEFT, etc. Based on the terms with the supplier, choose whether advance payable is yes or no. If the supplier has a minimum order value requirement, enter the value here. When creating a PO for this supplier, validation will be applied against this value. Incoterms can be set for the supplier in the provided field, along with the INCO place. The final step is to click the Save button. The supplier is saved. To view or edit supplier information in Bizzilo, navigate to Purchases and then Suppliers. You will find a list of suppliers. To view a supplier, simply click on their name. To edit a supplier, click on the edit icon located at the end of the row.